All right, so we are in the Boca neighborhood. This is our first time going to a Boca game, and it's a lot of energy. We can feel it already. We're just trying to find a way to the stadium and pick up some cherry pie on the way there. It's a late game. It's a 9:30 game. It's like 15 minutes away. So we're excited to see how the energy is in the Boca game, and they're playing against Racing. So this is our second football match in Buenos Aires. First one we went to about a month ago to see our favorite team, and now we're going to see another team just to get an idea of the energy and what the feeling is like. Everyone says you come to Buenos Aires, you have to check out a Boca game, so let's see. Game is starting soon. It's just been a little difficult to find the exact entrance because so many streets are blocked off. It's a little bit different than when we went to the River game where it was like everyone was going in one direction. But I think we're almost there. All right, so we just got through a bunch of different security checks, and since we're expats and we don't have DNIs or anything, they don't check our IDs. They just want to make sure. From what I heard, if you are an Argentinian citizen, they may check for documents just to say you don't have like a criminal record or anything like that. So we did bring passports just in case they asked for it, because they did ask for some information at the River game. Hey guys, I want to give a quick recap of my experience with the Boca game. This is actually 2 days after the fact. We didn't have time to tape, and it's kind of dark, so I want to tape something where there's a little bit of light out. But today it's been raining. been raining the last couple of days, and we have like 2 more days of rain. But anyway, quick recap. So we bought the tickets. You saw the video of the seats, so pretty decent seats. Really good game. It ended at 4-2, Boca winning. And I just want to have the experience of going to a Boca game, even though we're River Plate fans. But I just respect football in general, and I wanted to get a chance to see the 2 largest teams in Argentina play. So we got to the game maybe like 10 minutes late. There was 2 guys in our seats, like his father and son. One guy's probably like 40, other guy's like 60. They refused to get up because we were late, and they were kind of pissed off. So we got the security. The guy was able to talk to them after a few minutes, and they finally moved, and he, gave them another place where they could sit, which was basically like right in front of us. So that kind of pissed me off in the beginning, just because, like, yeah, we're late, but it's our tickets. I showed you we had tickets. Just get up and move to another seat. Like, you're not, you don't belong sitting here, but whatever. The seats were a little tight for me because I'm pretty tall. But other than that, like, the experience itself was pretty nice. A lot of energy. The cancha was great, which is like the chat they do, for Boca. So we definitely enjoyed all of that, and it definitely was a very interesting game. The River Plate game that we went to was it was 5-0, so it was like no competition. Velas didn't really play nowhere near as good as River. This game with Racing versus Boca was a little bit more competitive and a little bit more back and forth, so we were kind of on the edge of our seats. And we left just a few minutes before to kind of beat the crowd, but I didn't want to leave because the game just really had me just intense. It was like really good to see 2 games. There was 2 teams that were equally matched, but it was definitely a great experience. I'm glad that I went and had a chance to say that, hey, I went to a Boca game and I experienced what that's like, because when I posted the River game video, a lot of Boca fans comment and say, hey, you have to check out a Boca game. You have to, it's more lively, it's more this, it's more that. I'm not going to say which is, I think they're pretty comparable. I think both teams, you feel the passion and you see the energy in the stands, and I really appreciate and enjoy that. And from an athletic standpoint, just seeing these guys play was very, very interesting, and I was very excited, my wife and I both, just to kind of see these teams go back and forth. So I'm definitely excited that we went, and no disrespect to my River Plate fans for me going to the game. I just want to have that Argentinian football experience with the 2 largest teams, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. So I'm hoping I can catch at least one more game potentially before I leave Argentina in the next 6-7 weeks. But if not, I'm definitely going to just keep tabs on them, watching them on television, and keeping track of the scores and stuff on my phone when we're out. But we definitely enjoyed it, and I just want to have that little quick recap. Thanks for watching.